Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Today we're going to be putting a different gas door on the Duramax. Sorry I did not get to the hood, and sorry I haven't posted for a while. Things have gone a little crazy here, but right back there is the hood. But I haven't, like I said, haven't got to it yet. And today we're going to be putting the gas door on the Duramax. So right here is the gas door. Oh, hold on a second. Right there is the gas door we're going to be painting and putting on the Duramax. So, all right, guys, this thing has a little bit of, yeah. As you can see, it is a little rough, but it came out of a U-pull-it yard, so didn't really expect a whole lot more. Funny part about this is, I actually got this gas door for my 2002 Chevy Silverado that I redid. So we're gonna sand this. Just gonna run over with 120 with the DA sander, because like I said, it is pretty rough. There's the 120. See, it's all nice and sanded. I'm gonna run over at 600 grit just as well, just so you don't have as many swirls. All right, it's all sanded, ready to go. Let's see if they get a little bit of an angle here. There you go. All right, now the primer, well, the only paints I really use is Rust-Oleum as far as spray cans. Just put a nice dust coat over it. Let it sit for a couple minutes. Alright, guys, she's primered. Wait a little bit here and then we'll spray some semi-gloss black. Meanwhile, while that dries, we're going to get this gas door removed off of here. So, looks like we need some Torx bits and a flathead screwdriver. Just pull that one little Christmas tree clip out. So, let's go get some tools and get back here. Alright, guys. These are T30 bolts here, and this is just a push pin clip. They're all out. I'm just going to push it down through, and as you can see right there, it did end up breaking that. Had to take a pair of pliers in the inside and get the bolt out, but we'll work on that later. And now, I think we got to drill these two out here to get this door off. So, go grab a drill and get them drilled out, and see you guys in a little bit. Gas door is off. I did booger this one up a little bit more than that one, but we'll get in there and give this a coat of paint quick and keep moving. She's all dry, ready for some black paint. So, spray it on. Now once again, this is how I do it. I always just mist it over a little bit, let it dry a little bit, and then go over it again, a little heavier coat. There she is. All right, everything's ready to go, ready to put this gas door on. Like I said, this was for my 2002 Chevy Silverado, so I had to cut this out here and drill some different holes and put the clips in here to hold the All right, guys, there's the new door on the truck. What do you guys think? You see, all you gotta do, push, and open it up, push it back closed. The official name of this truck, I always call it Dirty Silver. My kids call it Silver Buck. But the official name is the Duramax. If you guys can see that right there on the windshield. Peter Carey is the one who named this truck. So if you're watching, Peter, thank you very much. I love that name. All right, guys and girls, fuel doors installed, the official name's released, the Duramax. And I have one more thing. I've been seeing a lot of these YouTubers, they have like a little jingle at the end or a saying before the end of their video. And I came up with one for this channel. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. And it is, if you don't try, you'll never succeed. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of it. And I'll see you next video.